Trevor here, and
Max.
we might be a little bit out of sync actually, Max, because we were before, and this time as we're going to be talking between each other, I might not be able to fix that. So either you're in sync or I'm in sync, or we're both good.
Okay.
So we thought we'd just jump on this call to give you a little bit more of a kind of sneak peek, an idea of what is inside Cash Prodigy, and we've had a lot of great feedback on this. Me and Max have just been talking about it, and there are so many things in here that you just need to see and to do. One of the things that Max was just talking about, Max, the prompts that we're giving them, a huge amount of prompts. Let them know what they get in there and how they can use those prompts to make money, because it's just unbelievable.
Yeah, so you will get around 7,400 done for you prompts, and prompting is like just the way you talk to an AI. And we have done all this for you. So you can basically just copy a sentence, paste it into the AI, and the AI will give you a done for you image, for example, or done for you whatever, like ChatGPT, Midjourney. You can do different things with those tools, but you need to know how to talk to them, because the better like you talk to them, basically the better your result is going to be in the end. And you can make money with this in different ways, because like you can grow a social media account with this. You can sell this as a service to clients, and you know, this is really done for you prompts is really as close as it can get to a push button system. Like, you know that push button systems don't exist. At least I hope you know that. But
Yeah.
with this, you can really copy something that we're giving you, paste it into an AI tool that is free of charge, and then take the result and sell it to someone. And you don't even need to think about what you're doing there, because all these prompts have been done for you. They're all optimized, and the tool that you paste those prompts into is going to do all the work for you. And this is stuff that people are actually going to pay you like real money for, because they need it and they have no idea about AI. In fact, they don't even know that you use AI to
Yeah,
get that work done.
absolutely. And do you know what? When I'm on live webinars and ask people, who's used ChatGPT, who's used Midjourney, who's familiar with it, I'm amazed that people that are coming onto our webinars are not even familiar. There are some people who are, but there's a lot who are not. So you can think of people that are outside of this industry. There's going to be a lot of people that don't have a clue about this stuff. It's all brand new, and a lot of people are scared of it. So something like 7,400 done for you prompts is a brilliant way to get started. As Max said, you can literally just paste them in and generate a result. Now, on that note, on this page, you'll see that I've got a little case study where we took an image. So we took this image, I put it on the website, and Max said to me, "Is that AI?" And it's a lady. You can see her on. She's got a dress a bit like this with black dots. It's not a dress; it's a shirt. Anyway, so Max said, "Is that AI?" So I said, "No, she's real." And he said, "Well, wouldn't it be good if all the images on this page could be AI?" So I love a challenge. I'm like, "Yeah, that's absolutely true. I will create an AI version of her." And you'll see that I did that. Now, in the training, I show you how I did that. And it's a really, really powerful, but very, very simple way to do it. Because what it means is that you can go onto a site like Fiverr and you can offer a bespoke service where the user sends you a picture, maybe of them or someone they love or someone they know. You take that picture and you can convert it, number one, into straightforward AI. But then I show you, if you look at the case study, it goes through to the third section, how to turn that into a Disney character. All right. So a Disney character is a chargeable service on Fiverr that some people are charging well in excess of $100 for. And you can do it like that, literally with the click of a button. And that's just one example of what we've got inside this course for you. Max.
Yeah, so you know, now with AI, like there is so much stuff you can do. Like as Trevor just said, like on our sales page, we're only using AI images. And if you pay for something like Shutterstock, for example, this is like, I don't even know how much that is. Like,
Oh,
do you
mate,
pay for
it could,
a single
yeah,
image?
I don't pay anymore. Obviously, I don't need to, but you can
Yeah,
pay $100, $200 plus for an image off of Shutterstock. And not only that, you're not going to actually, you get what they've got, right? But with
yeah.
AI and the way we teach you to do this stuff, you get what you want because you tell the
Yeah.
AI what you want, you know.
And it's
So
free. And it's
yeah,
free. So you can basically create unlimited images for your sales pages, for your blog, for your website, for your like whatever it is, for your magazines, for your brochures, for like you can use this for everything. Then you can use ChatGPT to write the sales copy. You can use like you can do so much. Like there are unlimited opportunities when it comes to AI, and this will just get bigger and bigger and bigger. And in a few years from now, like everything will be AI. And if you like, start now, then you will profit big time in the future. And you can even profit big time now already, because once again, like AI does all the work for you. I'm a big fan of freelancing because, selling legit services to people, like stuff that they really need, is something really nice. But you used to, like, the traditional way meant that you needed some kind of skill to make money, or you needed someone else to have that skill, like digital arbitrage, like someone that you can hire to like fulfill your order for you. But now, in many cases, you can just use artificial intelligence and be like, create this and that for me, click on a button, and a couple of seconds later, you'll have that result. And the amazing part is that, because you don't know much about AI yet, I guess this is why you're here right now, 99.999% of the people who buy from you have no idea about all this, and they will never find out, because they have their own stuff to do. They have their own business. They don't sit down and try to become an AI expert so that it helps them in their business. And this is when you come into play, because you now have access to a program that teaches you everything about AI and how you can make money with AI. So you really don't need any more skills for this. And I know this is what everybody says, but we're talking about AI, and it is like, artificial intelligence, like, these tools can do everything for you. You just really need to use them, and we're showing you how.
absolutely, absolutely. And the other thing that you can do as well is, like, so Max was talking about creating, like, content and stuff to sell as a service to clients who have no idea what they're doing, which is a way that we make money, and it's a very popular way to make money. But usually, as Max will know, it means that you get tied up in doing all the stuff yourself. That can be very, very time consuming, whereas with AI it's done literally within a few seconds. But the other thing that you can do, and what I teach you inside this Cash Prodigy course, is create products. I show you how to take just some text and turn it into a beautiful ebook, formatted with images and everything else, that is a product that you can sell. It can be on any subject, but obviously would recommend you choose the top niches like wellness, fitness, health, wealth, dating, that kind of thing. But you can create anything you want, make money online. You can create anything you want from nothing using AI. We show you exactly how to do that, which means that you then can instantly make that transition from consumer, where you're buying everything, to creator and vendor, where you are the one selling it, putting you in the driving seat, giving you that buyer's email list, which then means with a buyer's email list, you can become what's called a super affiliate. And that's how we do things. We create stuff, we create quality content, and that content then gets sold. And when it's sold, we get the buyer's email address, and we can then sell them more of our own stuff, or we can sell them other people's stuff as an affiliate. And that's how we become successful vendors and successful affiliates. And all the stuff that you need to know is all covered inside Cash Prodigy. Max. Oh, I should be going that way, I think.
Yeah, it's that way. Yeah. But yeah, there's one more thing that you have to know before, like, purchasing this product. You might have heard about ChatGPT in the past, and like most of the people out there talk about ChatGPT writing your book, your sales copy, your this, your that. Like, this all works. This is all amazing. This is how we use ChatGPT on a daily basis. But ChatGPT can do so much more than that. Like, so many things that I had no idea about before. Like, you can actually go ahead and be like, ChatGPT, please create a Chrome extension about XYZ for me. And then that's what it does in a matter of 5 seconds. And then you could even go ahead and add this Chrome extension to the Chrome store, or just sell it without having it added to the Chrome store. You will have your own Chrome extension. And for something like this, you would have hired like a developer. Many of those developers out there like are really hard to work with, and it would have cost you like a normal Chrome extension at least $200, like upwards. Like there is no limit, like 500, 1,000. Always possible. Now, ChatGPT, please create this a Chrome extension for me, and done. Like, and this is just about coding, but there is so much other stuff that you can do. And I have been using ChatGPT, Midjourney, and all these tools for quite a while now, but I still, when I open them up, I'm still like, this is not real. I still don't get it that like now is the 21st century, that this stuff is working now, because for me this still sounds like the future. And but this has already started now, and that's why I'm really like loving this. It saves you a ton of money. It gives you a ton of new skills without you having to have any skills, because you're just using the skills of those tools. And so I'm super stoked, and join us now, because we show you how you can use that as well. It's super easy, and we're selling this for a couple of dollars only, so there is nothing that you can do.
We're almost giving this away to us. This is almost free, and easily, as we said on the sales page, easily we could have pitched this on a webinar and sold it for $997 or more. So what we'd say to you now is, you've seen a little bit about what we've got for you here. If you don't get on the train now, the train's going to pull out the station, you're going to miss it. And as we were talking earlier on, Max was talking about the fact that, you kind of jump on now and you're going to go with the flow, and you will be you'll be empowered when it comes to AI and when it comes to making money online. But if you just sit back and think, oh yeah, I'll do that another time, or I'll maybe teach myself and that kind of stuff, then you're not going to get the same sort of success. So we would strongly recommend that you grab this now. As we said, it's almost for nothing. It's so cheap. Click on the button below this right now, grab it. You will not be disappointed, and we'll see you on the inside. Thanks, guys.
Join us now.
Cheers, mate.